Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have 8 divided by x is equals to square root of x, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. And I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here we need to move x to the right hand side. You see here this x is divided by here. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by this x, and after moving this to the right hand side, it will be written as 8 is equals to x times of square root of x. And further, in the next step, we need to remove this square root sign. So for this, we take a squaring on both of the sides. And when we apply squaring, it will be written as in this form. Further, in the next step, in the left hand side, we write our 8 as into the form of prime factors. And we know that the prime factors of 8 are 2 cubed and its whole square is equals to, here we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes x square multiplied by square root of x and its whole square. So here in the left hand side, we use this nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, so we interchange both of these two values, and it does not affect our final answer. It will becomes a to the power of n to the power of m. So further we have here we just interchange these two exponents, and it will be written as 2 square and its whole cubed is equals to, here we have this is x square, this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here x only. Now in the next step, you see that we have this 2 square becomes here 4 cubed is equals to, this is x square multiplied by x becomes here x cubed. So after little bit simplification, we get our given equation into the cubic form. So we move this 4 cubed to the right hand side, and it will becomes x cubed minus 4 cubed is equals to 0. And here we use the nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. After applying this cubic formula, we write our above equation as in this form. So we write this term as x minus 4 times of this is a square. Here our a is x square plus ab. Here our a is x and b is 4 plus b square, and b is 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is x minus 4 times of, here we have x square multiplied by 4x plus this 4 square becomes 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 4 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 4x plus 16 is equals to 0. From here we easily get the value of x is equals to 4. So this is the first real root of the given equation, and now here in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this quadratic equation. So for solving this quadratic equation, you know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first one is factorization method, second one is complicating square method, and the third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. For this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c is equals to 16. And we state the quadratic formula as in this form: x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and now here we substitute the above values of a, b, and c here, And after substituting above values, it will be written as x is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 4 plus minus square root of b square, b is 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And now here in the next step we have, this is minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square becomes 16 minus, this will be written as 4 multiplied by 16, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to minus 4 plus minus, here we need to take common 16 inside the square root sign, and we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And further in the next step we have, this implies that our x is equals to, this is minus 4 plus minus, here we know about that the square root of 16 becomes 4, and 1 minus 4 becomes here square root of minus 3, and it is divided by 2. So in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, so this implies that our x is equals to minus 4 plus minus, this is 4 times, here we apply this square root on negative term, and we know about that when negative sign appears inside the square root sign it will become iota, and we get square root of 3 times of iota. So further we break this fraction and we write 2 separately on both of these two values, and we get here our x is equals to, this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get here minus 2 plus minus, this 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get here 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. These are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and we have x is equals to 4 be the one real root of the given equation. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.